To change the alarm volume on your Android phone like this Samsung Galaxy here, first we'll swipe up to bring up the app drawer and go to the Clock app. Once you're in the Clock app, tap Alarm on the bottom to view your alarms. Here you'll have your existing alarms, or you can create a new one if needed. You'll notice how the alarm settings don't have a control for volume. To change the alarm volume, we'll tap these three dots and choose Settings. This takes you to the clock settings, and from here you can tap Volume. You'll see two options. Either use the same volume for all alarms with a volume slider that lets you set your preferred volume. Or if you'd like, you can set a different volume for each alarm. With the individual volume setting selected, you can now go back to your alarms in the Clock app. Tap any existing alarm and then tap Alarm Sound. Now, besides choosing the alarm sound, you can also set the alarm volume using the slider on the bottom of your screen. Then simply repeat this for all your existing alarms to set a different volume level for each of your alarms. And that's how you change the alarm volume on your Android phone. Click that like button if this was helpful, and subscribe to get more easy and quick guides like this straight into your YouTube feed. Thanks all, and I hope to see you in the next video.